Hi guys, ukusinda kuyehlela laphana kuSibongile kanye nokwenza lo mshado bese sifuna ukubona phakathi kwakwenza noSibongile engazi ukuthi cha kusekude phambili. Okunye ke bathi uVusi ke uzovele atshela ubaba wakhe ukuthi ke he is taking over the company because of the secretary yazi ukuthi yena ubaba wakhe unengane nomfundo ke yena engazi ukuthi uzophelwa umsebenzi kuzofika umuntu omusha ozomreplace. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sbongile and the Dlaminis from the 18th to the 20th of March 2024 on Monday. Sbongile comes clean about a double live. Vusi and Dlaminis discover a shocking revelation about Njengaye on Tuesday. Unafundo try getting one of the helpers to take Sbongile's job and look after Wenzeni, but they don't want to get involved on Wednesday. Vusi makes an announcement while the helpers struggle with a new Wenzeni. They are at the end of their tether, uncertain what to do next. Well guys, I think ke umuntu ozobuyisa uSibongile laphana kwaDlamini uwenzeni ngenxa ukuthi akekho umunye umuntu okwazi ke ukuhlala naye uwenzeni ngaphandle kwaSibongile. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hi guys,